Here we have a T6 Campervan, and what we installed is a integrated reverse camera. Now the customer initially wanted us to fit a wireless camera and a monitor purely because it's a converted campervan, as you can see. Now being a campervan, what they've done, they've carpeted all the metal work around here and all around the back as well. So it's not like panels that's been screwed on that could be removed. It is just all being carpeted in. So the last thing we do is end up having to remove part of the carpeting because it was just stretch and won't look great, and the whole thing will have to be redone again at a severe cost. So I went ahead and did the wireless camera. Didn't quite work out. There is always a risk of interference, and it's hit and miss if they work really well, and that was all explained to the customer. So the customer decided to go for a full integrated camera solution, but it does mean I had to run a camera feed all the way from the front to the back, which was a bit challenging, being the fact that it is fully converted. But anyhow, I have done it. In the rear, if you have a look, so we've gone for a downward camera that replaces one of the brake lights. So, you know, it's not yeah, so it doesn't look out of place. It looks quite integrated. So we have a look at the back, and as you can see, the back panel here has this, curtains, and it's all panelled out. So obviously all the wiring had to be hidden and had to be run through to the front. So like I said, it was a little bit challenging, but we have got it to work. And what it has this factory stereo, and we'll show you the reverse camera working. So if you have a look at the stereo, and it's just the Volkswagen system. So I put it into reverse, and there you have the camera.